Assalamualaikum. My name is Tuan Alazrina binti Tuan Zainal Abidin. My magic number is 264345. Today, I would like to tell about introduction in our project. Our project is about the application of economy in calculus. Economic history is the studies of economics or economic phenomena in the past. Analysis of economic history is undertaken using a combination of historical method, statistical method, and the application of economic theory to historical situation and institution. In our project, we want to find the demand and supply function, area, consumer surplus, and the producer surplus at the equilibrium point. Also, we want to calculate willingness to spend, consumer expenditure, and consumer surplus. We will discuss a few things in our project, which is key concept, method, and a few examples. First, Afrika will explain about key concept, and then Izzuddin will explain about method, and Amir will explain about example.
My name is Nur Afrika. My matric number is 264090. So, the key concept of our project is, as we know, key concept is something like the main area of the research or that we want to highlight it in our research paper. So, in this project, we want to highlight it, whereas the main idea or the concept of our project is first is we want to find the demand and supply function, also find the consumer surplus and the producer surplus at the equilibrium point. In this key point, that we know that our project is the application of calculus in economics. Also, we want to apply the calculus formula in economics, whereas it can apply those in our daily life, which is the calculus is always in around us. Okay, mathematics also. Then to calculate the willingness to spend, consumer expenditure, and consumer surplus. It's more like the economic things.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzuddin Ahmad bin Muhammad Ali. My number matric is 264858. Okay, today I want to explain about the methods in the application of calculus in economics. So, firstly, I want to tell about the equilibrium point. So, we look here the equilibrium point. So it is demand function and this is supply function. So the equilibrium point is it is set when the demand function and supply function. Okay, so this is the price on equilibrium point and this is the quantity of equilibrium point. Okay, focus first on the consumer side. This is the diagram of consumer surplus. So the area of the demand function is 0 to the quantity sold. Is to measure the consumer willingness to spend. So the area in the rectangle with head and base is to measure the actual consumer expenditure. So the difference between this and minus this is consumer surplus. So consumer surplus in calculus we are using integration method. So we have three which is willingness to spend, consumer expenditure, and consumer surplus. So for willingness to spend, so integrate 0 to QS, demand function Q dQ, while consumer expenditure is integrate 0 to QS, DS dQ. So in consumer surplus, so integrate 0 to QS, demand function Q minus PS times dQ. Next, we tell about the producer surplus. So this is the diagram of producer surplus. Okay, so we focus on the producer side. So the area under the supply function is from 0 to quantity sold, is to measure the producer revenue. The area in the rectangle with the height times base. With height is PS, base is QS, is to measure the actual producer revenue. So the difference between the two quantity is we call producer surplus. Next, we tell about the calculation on producer surplus using calculus. We use integration method also. They have three methods, which is needed revenue, producer revenue, and producer surplus. So for needed revenue is from integrate 0 to QS, supply function QDQ, while producer revenue is integrate 0 to QS PSDQ. For producer surplus, integrate 0 to QS PS minus supply function QDQ.
My name is Amir Hassan bin Abdullah, number matric 264587. Today I'm going to explain about the example and analysis of my project. For example 1, the demand for a product in RM is P equals to 1200 minus 0.2x minus 0.001x squared. This is the P function price. And then the question asks us to find the consumer surplus when the sales level is 500, which is the sales is X. So the solution is the number of products sold is 500, so the X will equals to 500. Thus the corresponding price is P equals to 1200 minus 0.2 minus 500 minus 0.001, 500 squared equals to 1075. We substitute the 500 into the function X, so we will get 1075. Therefore, to find the surplus, we need to integrate 0 to 500 Px minus P, which is P we times with X, and then we minus with the P we substitute, which is 1075. Therefore, we will get 1200 minus 0.2x minus 0.001x squared minus with P, which is 1075. We will get a new function, integration 0 to 500, 125 minus 0.2x minus 0.001x squared. Therefore, we do the normal integration, which we will get 125x minus 0.1x squared minus 0.001x cubed over 3. Then we substitute 500 and 0. When we substitute 500 into the x, we will get 125 times 500 times minus 0.1 times 500 squared minus 0.001 and 500 cubed minus 0. 0 is because when we substitute 0 into the function, we will still get 0. Therefore, the surplus is 33,333 ringgit 33 cents. For example 2, integral as antiderivative, which is fx equals to integration of f prime x dx, while cost per unit produced is equals to dc over df equals to a, goes to integration dc equals to a dx, which is cost also equals to a, integration df equals to ax. Okay, the question is, if cost printing of one book is 90 plus 0.01x, what is the cost of printing 500 books? For this question, we can use integration also. We just have the cost equals to integration 0 to 500, which is the maximum level of printing book, and then we integrate the function which is given just now, 90 plus 0.01x dx. So when we integrate, we will get 90x plus 1 over 100 x squared over 2. We substitute 500 and 0 into the function, we will get 45,000 plus 250,000 over 200 minus 0. So the cost of printing 500 books is 46,250 ringgit.
Okay, in conclusion, there are many renewable natural resources which we humans use day-to-day basis. Consumer and producer surplus can be used to examine any economic activity. From the above discussion, we can see that integral calculus is an important part of business mathematics and economics. We can use it in many ways and take effective decisions. However, it easily determines different terms those can be done and not can be done easily in other